Hey there! Welcome to Lengold English, where we learn from golden stories for a fluent future. Today, I want to ask you something important. Why do you feel motivated one day and then completely unmotivated the next? You wake up on Monday feeling great. You're ready to work hard. You're ready to learn English. You're ready to change your life. But by Wednesday, that energy is gone. You can't find the power to study. You can't find the power to work on your goals. So here's my question. Is motivation broken, or are you just using it the wrong way? How to make motivation work for you.
Let me paint two pictures for you. Picture 1. The person who waits for motivation. This person says, "I'll study when I feel motivated." They wait for the perfect moment. They wait to feel excited. But that moment never comes. Days turn into weeks, weeks turn into months, and nothing changes. They stay in the same place, same problems, same regrets. Picture 2. The person who makes motivation work for them. This person doesn't wait. They understand motivation. They control it. They use simple systems to create energy every single day. They study even when they don't feel like it. They work even when they're tired. And because of this, their English improves. Their life improves. They become the person they always wanted to be. Two people, two different approaches, two completely different lives.
So here's the truth. This video is not for people who want easy answers. This video is for people who are serious, people who want to understand how motivation really works, people who want to take control of their energy and use it to build the life they deserve. If that's you, then you're in the right place. And here's something powerful. While you're learning how to master motivation, you're also improving your English. Right now, you're listening to real English, natural English, the kind of English that native speakers use every day. You're learning new vocabulary. You're hearing sentence patterns. You're training your ear to understand spoken English without subtitles. So you're getting two wins in one: better motivation and better English. That's what we do here at Lengold English. We give you golden lessons that change your mind and your language skills at the same time. Now, let's dive into the 7 ways to make motivation work for you.
1. Understand that motivation follows action. Here's the biggest mistake people make. They think they need motivation before they start. But the truth is the opposite. Motivation comes after you start, not before. Think about it. When do you feel motivated to study? After you open the book and read the first page. When do you feel motivated to exercise? After you do the first 5 minutes. When do you feel motivated to work? After you complete the first small task. Action creates motivation, not the other way around. So here's what you need to do. Stop waiting to feel motivated. Instead, make a simple rule. Start for just 5 minutes. Tell yourself, I will study English for only 5 minutes. That's it. No pressure, just 5 minutes. What happens? After 5 minutes, you'll find that you want to continue. The motivation appears because you took action. Your mission? Tomorrow morning, pick one thing you've been avoiding. Set a timer for 5 minutes. Start. Watch what happens.
2. Create a morning ritual.
Your morning controls your whole day. If you start the day with discipline, you feel motivated all day. If you start the day with laziness, you feel weak all day. The most successful people in the world have morning rituals, not because they're special, but because they understand how the mind works. Here's a simple morning ritual that builds motivation. Step 1. Wake up at the same time every day. Your body loves routine. Step 2. Don't look at your phone for the first 30 minutes. Social media destroys your focus. Step 3. Do something physical. 10 push-ups. A short walk. Anything that wakes up your body. Step 4. Review your goals. Read them out loud. Remind yourself why you're working hard. This takes 30 minutes maximum, but it gives you motivation for the entire day. Your mission: design your own morning ritual. Write it down tonight. Start it tomorrow. Do it for 7 days without missing. Watch how your motivation changes. 3. Use the power of small wins. Big goals are important, but big goals can also kill your motivation. Why? Because they feel impossible. They feel too far away. The solution? Focus on small wins. Small wins give you confidence. They prove to your brain that you can succeed. And when your brain believes you can succeed, it releases motivation. Let me give you an example. Your goal is to speak English fluently. That's a big goal. It might take years. If you only focus on that big goal, you'll feel discouraged. But what if you focus on small wins? Today, I will learn 5 new words. Check. Today, I will watch 1 video in English. Check. Today, I will speak English for 10 minutes. Check. Every small win gives you a feeling of success. That feeling creates motivation for tomorrow. Remember this: motivation grows from success. Success comes from small wins. Small wins come from daily action. Your mission: write down 3 small wins you can achieve today. Not tomorrow, not next week, today. Then go do them. Check them off. Feel the power. 4. Change your environment. Your environment controls your motivation more than you think. If you study in a messy room, your mind feels messy. If you study in the same place where you watch TV and play games, your brain doesn't take it seriously. Want more motivation? Change your environment. Here's what you need to do. First, create a dedicated study space. It doesn't need to be big, just a clean desk, a chair, good light, nothing else. Second, remove distractions. Put your phone in another room. Close all unnecessary tabs on your computer. Tell people not to disturb you. Third, add motivation triggers. Put up a picture of your goal. Write an inspiring quote on the wall. Keep your notebook open and ready. When you enter this space, your brain knows
This is where I work. This is where I focus. This is where I become better. Your mission today: create your study space. Clean it, organize it. Make it a place that makes you want to work. 5. Find your why and write it down. Here's a hard truth. If your why is weak, your motivation will be weak. Why do you want to learn English? Think carefully. Don't give me surface answers, like, because it's useful, or because I need it for work. Go deeper. Do you want to learn English so you can travel the world with confidence? Do you want to learn English so you can get a better job and provide for your family? Do you want to learn English so you can read books and watch movies without subtitles? Do you want to learn English because you want to connect with people from different cultures and share your story? Your why must be emotional. It must be personal. It must make you feel something. When you know your real why, motivation becomes automatic. Because now you're not just studying words, you're fighting for your dream. You're building your future. Here's what you must do. Take a piece of paper right now. Write at the top, why am I learning English? Then write for 5 minutes. Be honest, be emotional, be specific. Then put that paper somewhere you'll see it every single day. Read it when you feel unmotivated. Let your why pull you forward. Your mission? Complete this writing exercise today, not tomorrow. Your future self is waiting. 6. Track your progress visually. The human brain loves to see progress. When you can see that you're improving, you feel motivated to continue. The problem? Most people don't track their progress. They study for weeks, but they don't write anything down, so they feel like they're not improving. This kills motivation. The solution is simple: visual tracking. Get a calendar. Every day you study English, mark a big X on that day. After 1 week, you'll see 7 X's. After 1 month, you'll see 30 X's. This creates a chain, and you'll feel motivated to never break the chain. Or use a progress journal. Every day, write, what did I study today? What did I learn? How do I feel about my progress? When you write it down, you can see your growth. You can see that you learned 100 new words this month. You can see that you watched 20 videos in English. You can see that you're not the same person you were 30 days ago. This visual proof creates powerful motivation. Your mission: start your tracking system today. Calendar or journal. Choose one. Use it every single day for 30 days. Watch your motivation grow. 7. Remember that discipline beats motivation. Here's the final truth you need to understand. Motivation is a feeling. Feelings come and go. Discipline is a choice. Choices create results. There will be days when you don't feel motivated. That's normal. That's human. The question is, what do you do on those days? Do you wait for motivation to return, or do you act anyway? The most successful people in the world don't rely on motivation. They rely on discipline. They study even when they're tired. They work
even when they don't feel like it. They do what they promised themselves they would do. And here's the beautiful secret. When you act with discipline, motivation returns. When you show up even on hard days, you prove to yourself that you're serious. You prove that you're committed. And that proof creates motivation. So make this your new mindset. I don't need to feel motivated. I just need to show up. Show up every day. Do the work. Be consistent. And watch how your life transforms. Your mission? Make a promise to yourself right now. Say it out loud. For the next 30 days, I will study English for at least 15 minutes every single day. No excuses, no matter how I feel. Then, keep that promise. Discipline will set you free. So there you have it. 7 ways to make motivation work for you. Action creates motivation. Start for just 5 minutes. Morning rituals. Control your morning, control your day. Small wins. Build confidence through daily success. Change your environment. Create a space that inspires focus. Know your why. Connect to your emotional purpose. Track your progress. See your growth visually. Choose discipline. Act even when you don't feel like it. Now, I want you to think about something. 1 year from now, you'll be somewhere. The question is, where? Will you be in the same place, still waiting for motivation, still making excuses, still struggling with the same problems? Or will you be transformed, speaking English with confidence, achieving goals you thought were impossible, living the life you always dreamed about? The choice is yours, but you have to make it now. Not tomorrow, not next week, not when you feel ready. Because here's the truth, you'll never feel completely ready. You just have to start. And starting is exactly what we do here at Lengold English. We don't just watch videos, we take action. We commit. We grow together. So if you're ready to join a community of serious learners, people who are using English to build better lives, then hit that subscribe button right now. Become part of the Lengold family, because we're not just learning English here, we're creating golden stories for fluent futures. And remember, the best time to start was yesterday. The second best time is right now. So go, take action. Use these 7 ways. Make motivation work for you. And I'll see you in the next video where we'll continue building your English and your future together. This is Lengold English, Golden Stories, Fluent Futures. Now go make it happen.